Loosen the 2 screws above the coupling. Loosen the 4 screws holding the motor. Remove the motor and the coupling. Remove the 2 screws below. The motor has a cut surface. Keep 1 column of screws and cut plain coplanar about 6 mm from the motor. Tighten the 2 screws below. Install the motor and the coupling. Tighten the 2 screws. At last, tighten the 4 screws holding the motor.